Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Chaves Ultramar Liberation 229 drop point stonewashed titanium frame lock right over here with me for a quick maintenance video. But you know what you can do? You can check out this button right over here. If you press it, it's gonna like the video, and that's fantastic. You know, there's another button right here. It says subscribe, and that's great because if you click that, you're gonna get subscribed to the channel. If you hit the bell, you're gonna get notified when I am posting something new. Let's see, we are going to do a T8 right over here. This thing is locked tight. So let me see here, what can we do? T8, spinning, yeah, that's good. Not spinning on this side, look at that. Very, very gently grab the T8 and screw the pivot. Like that. This guy is gonna come out nicely. Some white thread lock, Loctite. Nice tolerances. You see I removed the pivot, and the blade still keeps being centered, and that's great. So let's do the handle screws, and that is one, which is screwing in right into the scale, which is I don't know if I am a fan of this kind of construction because it's always risky. You can mess up things. So that's good. Just let's break the tension right over here. Nice and tight. I'm gonna use this plastic tool just to try and pop the pivot out, which doesn't really want to come. So let's just try to pop the scales like on this side. Just a gentle wiggle. All right. This thing is tightly put together. There you go. And we are done. Pin for the spacer itself, couple of bearings, and that's it. Done. Grab your microfiber cloth, a little bit of rubbing alcohol like so, and start just by cleaning. Just gonna start by cleaning the blade. Pretty big thumb studs. Just clean the tang, the area where the bearings are supposed to run. So that is done. Then the inside of this scale, which is not internally milled, and it's gonna reflect a little bit in the weight. It's done. Let's just do the stop pin out. Clean everything on the inside, like so. There you go. Very nice. So that is done. This is the stop pin, which can go back right there, like so. And we're gonna just clean these two bearings. One goes here, and then we're gonna do a little bit of 10 weight nano oil, like so. And then we can just install the blade like that, and do another 1, 2, and 3 drops over there. And let's just do one on the detent ball track. And yeah, we are pretty much good to go. Let's not forget the pin here, which is cool. It's easier to reinstall everything. And now just grab again this pivot over here, which I'm just gonna screw in. Oh yeah, because it's spinning, obviously. All right, so just stay there for now. I'm gonna do the back spacer like so. This fella just goes right through. And just look at that, nicely going in. like so. Second one, same thing. Just be mindful of that thread, right? Never. Just go back a little bit until it catches, and then you're free to screw this in. Because if you strip this, yeah, you're not gonna be a happy camper. So these are tight. Just break the tension. This can go in like so. Just keep it pinched. Probably we're gonna need 2 drivers. Maybe I can use my brute force. It is embedded in my fingers to keep this thing pressed. No, I can't. Who am I kidding? This side. No. It's not gonna work. So, not a biggie. T8. Just grab another one, like so, and just grab T8. That's this guy right over here. There you go. So that is gonna be like so. This is going to be like that. Just hold one and just slowly screw that pivot back in. Like so. Now it's fully tight. Too much. It doesn't move. So that's a little bit too tight. Let's just do a little bit less. Checking blade centering, checking the action. Very good action, guys. Look at this. This is detent, yeah. Like over here, see? And then, ooh, we are happy, right? Let's see. Nice and snappy. Smooth. Closing action. There you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.